Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Grand Connection EDUnetworking community. All these amazing people who are on here today are speakers at our Business Growth Buffet, which is free for everybody. It's June the 20th and June the 21st. We have 30 speakers at our conference. This is one of our favorite events of the year, 2 days from 10 a.m. Pacific until 2:30 p.m. Pacific time. And each of these people are sharing their expertise. They have gifts for you. There are thousands and thousands of dollars of gifts that you will receive from just registering. Plus, we are creating a beautiful Grand Connection magazine with each of these speakers and their talks, with all their links, a quote from them. It's absolutely gorgeous that you'll receive just by registering. So let me introduce, lots of opportunity for networking too. So if you want to build your business globally, this is how you do it. So let me introduce you to each one of them. If everybody can go on mute here, that would be great. Thank you. So let me introduce you to the first presenter. Manesh Baxi, who is a speaker, author, and business mentor. He really enjoys a dream lifestyle in Michigan and Disney World. With 24 years of experience, he's published 9 books, including Network Your Way to $100,000 and Beyond, and Stop Hiring Losers, helping professionals achieve remarkable success. So Manesh, welcome. And what are you going to be focusing on during your talk at the Grand Connection Business Growth Buffet?
Thank you, Carolyn, for the opportunity. And most of you may have already seen the title. The title is, What Did I Learn from My Friend Who is Worth Over $100 Million? So when I had a conversation with him, he asked me, Minesh, have you been to college? I said, sure. It's like, what kind of degrees do you have? I have a bachelor's in electrical engineering. I have a master's in systems from one of the top colleges. He said, Minesh, I'm sorry to say, you're going to have a harder time achieving more money, more growth in your business. I was shocked. It's like, what do you mean? He says, Minesh, I have barely passed high school, but I have a secret that I have found. It is easier for people who are not too smart. I think you are too smart for your own good. And that's when it hit me hard that what he was sharing with me was so profound, so important, that I need everybody. I need you to hear this, because maybe you are missing the key component of what it takes to be highly successful in business. And you might be thinking it is writing another book, it might be doing another talk, it might be, no, it's not it. If you get that one secret that I'll be sharing with you, your business will transform overnight to achieving great levels of success. And I'm so glad that Carolyn and Susan are going to give me the opportunity to share that with you so you can have the results that you've always dreamed of.
Love it. Love it. Love it. Oh, I love this Business Growth Buffet. You know what? It's just this incredible information coming to you that can change the trajectory of your business. Thank you, Manesh. I am excited about your talk for sure. Let me introduce you to the next presenter. Her name is Lana Fink, and she has over 25 years in corporate America. Founded a communication coaching business to help you master effective communication as a certified life and business coach, TEDx coach, and DEIB advocate. She inspires diverse audiences through impactful presentations and promotes allyship and neurodiversity in the workplace. That sounds so fascinating. So Lana, tell us about your talk at the Grand Connection Business Growth Buffet.
Thank you so much, Carolyn, for having me today. I'm excited to talk to you all about how I went from the shadows to a TEDx coach within a year. The crazy thing is, 3 years ago, I froze on Zoom and said I would never be in public speaking and I would never be in leadership. Fast forward a couple of years, all of a sudden I'm stepping into a director position at Toastmasters International, and I'm even a TEDx coach for 2 amazing speakers. I want to tell you all the secret, and there's some great information. And then also, I'm excited to share with you a little twist, and I'm going to save it for the meeting because you may not really realize, yes, Toastmasters is part of it, but there's a piece that is so amazing. And once I figured it out, I was able to truly unpack who I am today. So I'm excited to see all of you this month. Can't wait. Back to you, Carolyn.
Oh my goodness. Okay. We're just starting. We've only heard 2 speakers. We have 28 other ones too. I love it, Lana. I can hardly wait. Thank you so much. So let me introduce you to our next speaker. Her name is Debbie Voris, and she is a certified holistic health coach. Transformed her life by losing 70 pounds and becoming a runner. She helps clients identify the root causes of their health issues and crafts personalized, holistic strategies, revitalizing their lives through tailored coaching services. Oh, Debbie, welcome. Tell us about what you're going to focus on during your talk. You're on mute, my dear. No, can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
There we go. I guess the double mute kind of messed it up because I muted myself earlier. But anyways, I'm going to talk about magical mindset. And whatever you're doing in life, whether you're in business, whether you're improving your health, mindset is so important. And being in tune to opportunities as well as, being in the right emotional state, a lot of things can come your way. So I'm going to be discussing what happened for me, and it can happen for you too. Remember, anything is possible when you have a strong mindset, and you'll embrace opportunities that come your way.
Love it. It's so true. You know, mindset is the foundation of all success. It always starts here.
Yes,
Thank you, Debbie. Looking forward to your talk. That sounds fabulous. Thank you. Thank you. The next presenter I'd like to introduce you to is Macy Baxi. She is the host of the podcast, What Would You Say to Your Younger Self? I love it. And has interviewed over 350 successful professionals since 17. She now teaches how to attract high-paying clients through podcasting and pressure-free prospecting. Her upcoming book, 7 Critical Career Skills They Don't Teach You in School, is highly anticipated. Oh, fantastic. So welcome, Macy. Tell us what you're going to focus on during your talk. Oh, you're on mute too.
I'm on mute.
There you are. No, you're good now. Thank you.
I think I pressed it, but it was still muted from the host. But anyways, thank you so much, Carolyn, for this warm introduction. I'm so excited to kind of share a little bit on how I, as a 17-year-old, was able to talk to over 300 successful professionals. Over 100 of them make $1 million a year plus. And really, the secret and key to building relationships. And that's really what I want to use and focus on when it comes to podcasting. I've been podcasting for over 3.5 years, and I've loved every aspect of it. Even the people that they come to me and they say, I'm so introverted, I don't know if I'm actually going to want to talk about it. I say, don't worry, that's my job. Let me handle it. Everyone has a story, everyone has a message, and it's my goal to continue to share theirs and also mine.
Love it. Love it. Podcasting is such a great opportunity for people too. And Macy, I know there's a congratulations. You are now have a TED Talk coming up too. So I want to congratulate you for that as well. What a fantastic, spirited, heart-centered woman. And so thank you for your courage and your commitment. Fantastic. Love it. So the next presenter today that I'd like to introduce you to is Sue Patz. She's a former bedridden solopreneur who now helps others overcome similar challenges through podcasts, YouTube, and programs like Your Digital Dream in a Day, and MRR Success. She offers tailored support to ensure solopreneurs thrive beyond their second year. Join her Beginning Success Tribe to redefine solopreneur success together. Welcome, Sue. Tell us about what you're going to be talking about.
Thank you. Really excited to be over here. Yes, if you are bedridden for a year and after that you get a bonus life because everybody had given hopes on you, but you recover miraculously and you get a bonus life. What you should do? I just decided to devote my life for solopreneurs. What are the major challenges for solopreneurs? Launching a business, scaling a business, and selling their products. Many solopreneurs quit their business before they launch their first product. People who see second year, many of them don't see fifth year in the business. I just designed all the solutions for all these problems. So you can launch your business in a day using master resell right products, and you can scale with a membership way and selling worldwide using affiliate army over 100 countries. Yes, everything packaged. And I want to show you how you can make your $1 million. And that will be my major talk, and your gifts will be based on that. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. And Susan, we have lots of opportunity here with networking. So tell us about the breakout rooms and where we're going with networking with this too.
Thank you, Carolyn. You know, we're so excited. How many of these have we done? This is, I think, our third business growth buffet and our sixth conference. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting at the Grand Connection. And of course, we've had hundreds and hundreds of different events at the Grand Connection. There is going to be lots of breakout rooms because we are about creating those collaborations to connect, create, and collaborate here at the Grand Connection and work together to find ways to build meaningful relationships so that you can meet with people you know, like, and trust, and, you know, form those collaborations, businesses, referral partners, joint ventures, podcast interviews, go on other people's summits, speak on other people's stages. There's so many opportunities for collaboration that I can't even list them all. But come to the event. This is one of our premier events of the year. It is free for everyone. And the talks are inspiring. They are short talks. They're all 5 minutes or less, which we call grand talks. So our members, thought leaders in many, many different areas, are taking the best of the best and sharing their success recipes with you so that you can learn more skills, be inspired, be motivated, and level up your skills. The dates and times are June 20th and 21st from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. Pacific time. And if you want to go to grandconnection.ca, you can register. And this is free entirely for everybody. Carolyn, anything else you want to add?
Yeah, I do. I just want to share that day one's focus, which a few of these speakers here today, it is about inspiration and action and mindset. Day one. Day two is about marketing, sales, systems, and finance. So if you're looking at your business, if you're just starting out, or whether you're a seasoned business professional, you will receive golden nuggets from every one of these talks. People are bringing, like Susan said, the best of what they know and condensed it in this micro TED Talk. So, you know, feel free to pop in and out whenever you have time and when you can join us. But once again, 20th and 21st. So we welcome you. I want to say thank you to all our speakers today for jumping on this restream. And we look forward to seeing you at the Business Growth Buffet. Thank you.